Hey guys, it's Joseph, and in this brief tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your HeyGen account to your n8n workflows. For those of you who don't know, HeyGen is an interactive AI avatar platform, which what that means, if you're like me and you don't like to be on camera very much, you can just upload a video of yourself, and it's going to create an avatar of you, and then you could feed that avatar scripts, and it's going to create like these talking head videos of you. So normally to do it, you just to like create a video, you would go into their UI here. But what's cool about HeyGen is if you see this little marker down here, they have an API, and what that means is you can do all of that, like use it in an automation. So I've already pre-built out the nodes here. We're just gonna need, I just have a simple manual trigger for this one, just for demo purposes. We're gonna need at least 2 HTTP request nodes, and you can find those up here. We're also going to need 2 wait nodes. This one is an if node, which is just think of it like if you're familiar with coding as if else. And lastly, if you want to like get the binary file of that video, you could add a third node here. So we'll start off on the first node. We're going to need a few things. Number one, you're going to need to set this here to post in the HTTP request node. This is to make the video. You're going to need to put this URL in. Now we're also going to need to send some headers here. Now the header we need to send is this capital X dash capital API key. You spell it exactly like this, and you're going to put your API key in here. Now I'm not going to show mine because you shouldn't really be leaking those to the public, but I will show you how to get one yourself. So in HeyGen site here, you go to settings, and then you go to subscriptions and API, HeyGen API, and then you're going to click copy. Or if you want to regenerate it, you could click that button, and that's how you get that credential, and you're just gonna paste that in there. Now we also need to send a body here. So this is you want to turn the body content type as JSON, specific bodies using JSON, and this is the body I'm using. So real quick, you probably notice some things are missing here, and we're going to get to these in just a second, but this is what the overall body should look like. If you want this, just screenshot it and then put it in a ChatGPT. It'll spit it out for you. Now we just need to fill in the things that we need, because right now this won't do anything. So first thing up here is avatar ID. So real quick, to get that avatar ID, you go to avatars, go to your avatar. This is my handsome face, and you want to be in here. Then what you want to do is copy avatar ID, and then you post that in there. And then what we're going to do is we're also going to need the voice ID. So to get the voice ID, it's a similar process. You go to voices, your voice, and you copy that. And the last thing we need is the input text. So think of the input text as your script, and just some best practices. If you want it to pause, you should use ellipses or 3 periods. If you want it to inflect up, add a question mark, and if you want it to emphasize, you should add an exclamation point. So just for sake of demonstration here, I'm going to give it a real simple script. And as you can, so I just typed out a simple script here. My name is Joseph. I'm showing you all how to make simple avatar videos with HeyGen. Now, once you have that, we're gonna go. Once you have that node filled out, we're gonna go to this one. And this is a wait node. So what that is, after it runs this, it's just gonna wait for 3 minutes. And the reason we do that is because a lot of the times the video generation can be, it just takes a bit, so we want it to wait, make sure for the video to be done. Then we have here this check video status node. And for this check video status node here, what this does is when that wait node is up, it's going to check if the video is done. So you want to set this to get here, and you want this URL. Now, don't freak out if you see red. That's just because I copy pasted this over from another one here and put it in here, but it just means like right now there's no data on it. So you want this URL, and then for whatever you name this node here, you want to put that over here. So I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Okay, I just bumped the time down to 3 seconds just so I could show you this a little quicker. So for this get video status here, to actually populate that, you just go to the left sidebar here, you drag this over there, and you make sure that's set to expression, and that's going to dynamically populate this, which what that means is every time it's going to be a new video ID, it's going to put that in here. And you can either send a header auth here, which I did, I just connected a credential, or same thing. Or you can also send that API key you have, which I'm going to put that in right now. And I'm going to just fire this off just to show you how it works. So when it checks this video status here, it's going to check if video completed. And you just want to type this in just like that. I'll paste it up here. json.data.status. You could also drag it over from that node. And what that's going to do is you want to, in this if node, you want to choose string is equal to. And it's going to check if the status here is equal to completed. And spell it exactly like this, lowercase c. So right now that status is in processing, so it went down to this node and it's just going to, it's a wait node. It's going to wait for a minute and wait for that video to be processed. And if it finishes up, then what's going to happen is we're going to go to the true branch. That means the video completed. Okay, everybody, we are back. And as we can see, the automation ran, checked, it saw that hey didn't finish up once, so it went here, waited for a minute, checked her again, and this time it worked. So real quick, I'm going to show you the video, but just want to let y'all know that I downgraded to the free plan for their API, so it will have the watermark and you can't change the dimensions. But if you want to just get their paid API plan, then you can change the dimensions and get rid of the watermark.
My name is Joseph, and I am an AI avatar. Please subscribe to my channel.
You hear that, guys? Listen to the avatar. Do what he says. But yeah, thanks for watching this far. Hope you all found this useful. I'm probably going to be uploading more just short little tutorials like this. Because, you know, everybody's like, oh, I built these 3,000 AI agents which can run an entire empire. But I just think starting small and starting basic makes the most sense with this kind of stuff. And then eventually as we evolve, and then eventually as people start to understand, then I'll be building more complicated things out for you. But yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. If you want to book a call with our team so we could actually build out an AI system for you, I'm going to leave my booking link in the description. Thank you for watching. This is Joseph. Peace out.